Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to draw vector mandalas like that one on the iPad with Affinity Designer. At the end of this video I'll show you a trick on how to make different mandalas in just a couple of seconds. First of all, we start by creating a new document. I made a preset for that, but the only important thing is that it is a square size. Now that we have our new document, we start by adding a star using the star tool here on the left. Then you choose however many points you want. I chose 12 this time and set the inner radius to 0. To be able to see the star, we have to change the line width. 0.1 should be fine. Since this star is only a reference, we can lock this object so that I don't move it around accidentally. In the next step, I'm creating a triangle. You can choose whatever shape you want, but for me it works best that way. Rotate the triangle and then align it with the upper point of the star reference. After that, you want to make a symbol out of that triangle. You do that by clicking on the symbol button on the right side and then the Add Symbol from Selection button. After that, you want to duplicate that triangle. You then move and flip the triangle so that it is a mirror version of the first one. Make sure that the two triangles align perfectly. After that, the two triangles must be combined into one group. We then have to change the rotation point of the triangle to be exactly in the center of the file. After that, we now duplicate the whole group of the two triangles. One of them gets rotated until it aligns with the second tip of the star. In this particular case, this is at 30 degrees, which can be perfectly done by pressing down one finger. Then it snaps to certain angles. We now press duplicate again until we have such a group at every tip of the star. And that's basically it. We can now group all of these except for one. Whenever you want to draw something in this mandala, you have to make sure that it is on that layer. You can now choose whichever brush you like and start drawing. As you can see, it gets repeated so that you get a perfect mandala. I'm going to show you one further thing that makes neater mandalas in my opinion. For that you choose the star again and double the number of points, so in my case 24. After that you again go to the triangle layer and then choose the pen tool. With that, we want to draw a triangle starting in the center and going to the top point of the star and the one on the right side of that. We align these points as perfectly as we can. After that, we choose this curve, and on the 3 points menu on the top, we choose Insert Inside. And when you now draw something inside this curve, it is going to be clipped to fit inside. The one thing that you have to pay attention to is that you can only draw inside this triangle now. You can see that everything that gets drawn gets clipped inside this triangle. When you don't like something that you have drawn, you can just delete it by tapping the screen with 2 fingers. In my opinion, this results in a much neater mandala. To make the mandala ready for export, you have to disable the references, so the star and the triangle from the start. In addition to that, you also have to set the width of the triangle curve to 0 to make it disappear. To create a new mandala from this in just seconds, you select every curve and then move all of them around. As you can see, there are endless options for new mandalas. If you like this video, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe.